Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way how you can rotate object in BricsCAD. So let's get straight into it. Now here in the comment line type in rotate and press enter. So now we need to select entities to rotate. So I will go with that one here. So like so, like that. Okay. So I will pick here this one, and rotation point will be like so. And if I do it something like, I will go like that. Okay. And like that we have rotated our object. So if I show you again, so type in here rotate, press enter, select entity. So I will now select this one. And what we can do now is just go like that. I will select this one here, enter, and now I can select like so and rotate it in this manner. But I don't want to do that too much, so let's go something like that. And as you can see, we have successfully rotated our object. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.